It was like a light switch went off of like what I can actually do with this knowledge in real life. Like I wasn't expecting that. It's definitely been one of the best classes I've taken, and definitely feeling welcomed and actually feeling like you can connect. And it's just something really special about being in a community of like-minded people. Like that's priceless. And it's definitely far exceeded my expectations. I knew I've been drawn to this class. I've been interested in wild abundance for a few years. I feel like I've been called, maybe like from my ancestors, to just reconnect to nature. And I've always just been so curious about plants outside and their names and the names of trees. And more recently, like what can I eat and what are their medicinal uses. I'm definitely going to forage around my apartment. It's adjacent to the woods, so I'm definitely going to forage, start making some tinctures, experimenting with cooking some food. And I do got plans in the future of taking some of this information back to Oklahoma and sharing it with my community there. I didn't think it was going to be this amazing of an experience and this special of an experience.